So with it being tied to that pulley, it can kind of go along that rope. So once it's done swinging and everything's stable, you can manipulate where you want to go with it. You good, Jose?
Yeah, I got it.
You good? Yep. Cool. All right, here we go. Very nice. Good job, guys. Cool. Where's we got? Static tying over there. And attached to a pulley. Running through another block. Down to a rigging ring. And mechanical advantage set up back there. I'm not cutting it free yet. Notch in, doing a little bit of a back cut, then we'll come down and I'm going to tighten it up some more. Alright, you got that tight, Pablo?
Yep.
Okay. You good, Jose? Well, not that you have anything to do right now, but... Nice. Good job, guys. Oh, that was so much fun. Thank you. Well, I didn't want to come back to Bellefontaine Cemetery under these conditions.
Son of a fucking bitch, man. That looked like a goddamn road, didn't it?
Yeah. Not often you see a Sequoia in Missouri. It's pretty. They're doing this one tomorrow. Jason asked me if I wanted to work. I got a date. I got priorities. But I'm tempted to come into work. But I'm not going. Jeez, that's a mess. All over headstones too. Looks like it has some included bark up there. Codominance, included bark, no bueno. That'll be a fun one. Another one. Sunday evening at our family friend Peggy's house. She had some storm damage. My buddy Jeff took care of most of it already, but some stuff he couldn't get. So we're going to knock this out. decent sized limb there. A good sized limb on this one. That's the neighbors right there, completely uprooted. Yep, took out a line on a telephone pole, a couple lines. Yeah, tree could use more work, but just trying to get the hangers. It's been raining, drizzling. I think it's going to start raining here in a bit. Trying to get the hangers done before dusk. Of course, I was just going to set my throw line, and it starts lightning and thundering and storms moving in, so this one's going to have to wait. Packed up just in time. Yep. Just got a new 15 XP. Alright, take some lower stuff off to clear the houses. Got a pull line set. Run to the truck. Let's do it. Ready? All right. Oh yeah. See how that new chipper's doing. Cool. Cut my hinge out. Good job, Corey. That could have been really, really bad. Actually demoing the fence anyway, so we're going to go ahead and pull it out and see what I've already taken off. Again, forgot I have a camera on my head, but this whole fence is getting removed. Beautiful. Thank you. Cool. What we got today, or at least first job. Power line there. They don't want it down the ditch, so gotta climb it. Tied in, swing over, back out this stem, then come back and get that. Dude, I am just like, this sweat is just not evaporating. fucking something. Alright, Shane was just off the drive sprocket. A little bit of a Dutchman. Have a good one, humans.